As accounting and finance professionals ourselves, we deal with all kinds of CSV files out there. So to load CSV files into Pandas data frames, it is extremely easy. You only need 2 lines of code. So with this, let's just get into it. Previously, if you remember, we created this budget report CSV. So if we take a look, this simple CSV have 4 rows. The first row is a header. It has department, budget, and actual. And then each record basically represents the budget and actuals for each department. We have 3 departments: HR, marketing, and finance. So I want to show you like just 2 lines of code. We can just create a pandas file to load this CSV into pandas data frame. So with this, let's create a new file. I will just call it pandas csv.py. And within this file, really all I need to do is to put this 2 lines of code. First, I need to import pandas as PD, and then I can just name a variable df. df is short for data frame. So this data frame is pd dot read underscore CSV. So this is a built-in read CSV method within pandas. So, and here I just need to put in the actual file names within the folder, which is budget, report, CSV, right? So, and all with this, if we run the code, the Python would create a data frame variable after reading the CSV data in. And the last thing we can do is we can print out the data frame, and so we can take a look what this data frame looks like within Pandas. So with that, let's run this small Python program, and let's see what's the result. And see, this Pandas data frame is created directly from the CSV file. And here we have column header, department, budget, actual, and then those 3 records with 3 departments in there. So this is how easy it is to load a CSV file into a Pandas data frame. I hope you like it.